Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Huawei CM510 to your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to charge your device. At the back you can find a port to your micro USB cable, and next you have to turn on your device. You have to click and hold this button on the front until this indicator starts blinking. As you can see right now it is blinking, so it means that our device is visible to other devices, and we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. Next we have to click to pair new device, and now just wait until this speaker pops on the list. When it appears, just tap on it once, click pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for the video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.